Are TN workers from Canada and Mexico displacing U.S. workers? This is a question that I think we're going to dig deeper into now that Trump has the new executive order called America First Trade Policy. He signed that on day one in office. It's obviously a priority area. And although it's only 0.5% of workers in the occupations, which are professional level, that have TN status right now, are those 0.5% making it harder for everybody else, the other 9.5% of workers in those occupations? Uh, right now, it looks like a lot of those workers are supplementing the workforce more than displacing Americans because a lot of them are working in really bad shortage occupations, health professions, registered nursing, registered nurses, a lot of areas where it's really hard to fill the jobs. Veterinarians is another one, really, really low unemployment rate for veterinarians. So when the U.S. goes back and studies what TN workers are doing to the rest of the economy, maybe we'll know more. Right now, there's about 130,000 TN workers. They're all from Canada or from Mexico. A lot of them have been here for many years. We've had this visa status since 1994. It was part of NAFTA, now part of USMCA, but it's also codified in federal law. So it's not something that can just be taken away in an executive order or by the executive branch at all. That said, even if it's not taken away, it can certainly be disrupted because the State Department, which issues all the visas, falls under the executive branch, and CBP, which admits people in TN status from the Canadian side, because they don't need a separate TN visa in their passport. They get their adjudication at the port of entry. They can be directed to stop TN admission. I hope it doesn't happen. I guess we'll all see.